Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a Defender X in stock. This particular car is a D300, so it's a 3-litre diesel, and the X is fantastic specification, loaded with options. Typically an option, but you do get it as standard on this car. So again, it's 3-litre diesel. We've got the exterior black pack on this car as well, so it is all blacked out other than the nice orange accents that we do get with it being a Defender X. 3D camera, surround sensors, and we do get those 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels on this car, again paired with the orange brake calipers. Nice badging down here, fixed side steps, which aren't a cheap accessory these days, power folding wing mirrors, keyless entry, and privacy glass on this car. Now, if you follow me right round to the rear, again, orange towing eyes, a body coloured wheel cover, and follow me right round to the other side of the car where we'll talk about the inside. We do have a full ebony leather interior as well, electric seats, memory functionality on those as well, and what's quite handy is that steering wheel is actually electrically adjustable, so it does actually save with the memory. Now, head-up display, clear sight rear view mirror as well, so it does double up as a mirror and the clear sight, which is a little camera feed going backwards, and 40,457 miles. Heated steering wheel, we've got automatic, of course, air suspension, so we can actually lift or lower the vehicle at the touch of a button. Cooling seats, heated seats, all of our multimedia display here, so we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of our typical off-road modes that we'd expect to find in Defender. But specification wise, I could talk all day. We've got the head-up display, which is one of my favorite features, and between the two front seats we do actually have some additional storage space. So again, this is a Defender 90. Oh, we've even got the Meridian surround, which I forget about, which is a really nice bit of specification as well. But again, it's a Defender 90 D300 X, finished off in Santorini Black. If you do have any further questions on this car, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name's Sam. You can get us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.